Hi, it's Tiffany Jenkins with the Bloomery out of Hopkinsville, Kentucky. And I bet your tomatoes are really taking off and growing like ours are. So let's talk about ways to add support to your tomatoes so that they're not falling on the ground and you're not losing those precious fruits. So the goal of stringing up tomatoes is to support the plant so that it doesn't fall over and the fruit rots. And you want to make sure that you have support on both sides of the plant because they do get so heavy. So you can see we have these tomato plants already strung up, and I'm going to show you how to do it in just a second. But we've got actually 3 runs of string holding up our tomato plants. So now I want to show you how we did that. It's really cheap, easy way to support your tomato plants and keep those fruits healthy. So all you need to string your tomatoes is a sturdy stick. We're using tobacco sticks, but you can use a heavy dowel rod or any kind of heavy sturdy stick. You're going to need some tomato twine or tomato string and a pair of scissors or a knife to cut the string. And you also want to do it before the plants start to get too big. So these are just the right size for me to start stringing them up and giving them the support they need. So I've got my tomato twine tied onto my belt loop so that it's easy and out of the way. I've tied a square knot with the string onto my first stick. And notice that I've got sticks on the sides of each plant. Okay, it's best if you can provide a lot of support. I know a lot of people don't always put sticks on each side of the plant, but it's really best if you can. So we've got one on every side of the plant. And all I'm gonna do, I've got this pipe that I'm using, I've strung the string through it, and I'm gonna show you how that helps it be so quick and so easy to string. So here we go. So I'm gonna go straight down this side of the plant, about 6 to 8 inches off the ground. I'm gonna wrap it around and then just keep on going. And I'm just gonna string it around. Wrap it, keep going. And you wanna keep tension on it, keep it pulled tight so that it supports your plant. Okay, so you're going to do that all the way down your row. You're going to go down one side, wrap it around the post, keep going down the same side, wrap it around the post. Then when you get to the end of the row, you're going to turn around and come back down the other side so that you're supporting your tomato plant on both sides. So I haven't gone all the way down to the end, but I'm just going to show you here what to do. So now I'm going to come back around, wrap it on this side of the plant. I need a little bit of a shorter pipe here. So when you get back to the end of the row where you started, you're going to wrap the string around the stick and then tie another knot in it to secure it. Okay, so on these tomato plants you can see that we have done 3 runs of strings tied around the plant, around the sticks, excuse me, not the plant, tied around the stick, and it's giving adequate support to these plants. You can look through here and see that they are not laying over on the ground, that they're standing up like they should, and that we don't have to worry about our fruit rotting because they're getting the support they need.